The first thing you need to do to access your video lectures, once you log in to the program, you need to come up here to the table of contents right here and click it. You need to make sure that you're in the right chapter to begin watching your videos. Now, if you're going to start with the getting started information, you need to click that on the left under chapters. Click it, and here are the various sections for the course in the getting started information chapter. So you need to watch these videos to make sure you know how to use the the program, and again, how to use the simulated labs and various. There'll be a bunch of information in there for you. And then you need to go, when you're done watching these videos, let's say we're going to watch the introduction. You click it, and a video screen comes up, and you can play it just the video or with an interactive script, which means, let me just click that one so you can see. Here's the video, and then on the right is it's the
Let's
actual.
view how easy it is to navigate through the LabSim product and the features we include.
It's the actual text. It's the transcript of the video of what they're saying in the video. Okay, so when you're done watching this, go back to the table of contents and go to the next video. I'm pretty much sure these are all videos. When you're done watching them, you need to go to, well, we skip computer and internet basics and you go straight to chapter 2, Microsoft Word. This is all laid out in your weekly schedule that I gave you. So let's say you're working in Microsoft Word. I'll click Word, and here's the various sections in Word. Now, these little icons here tell you that it's a video. All you need to do is click it, select it, and again, you'll have the option of watching just the video or with the interactive script. This time I'll choose just play the video. And there you go.
Sooner or later, as you work with Microsoft Office, you'll run into cases where you want to do something and you know it can be done, but you just can't remember how. Or it's a task that maybe you've never done
Okay,
before.
so let's say you're done
Microsoft
watching
Word
this
alone has over
video, you go back
1,000
to the
different
table of
features.
contents.
There's no way a single course can prepare you for everything you're likely to face as you work with
And you
documents.
go to the next
Even
one.
if you have some experience.
Play the video. So that's how you watch the videos. You have to make sure you use the table of contents, choose the chapter you're working in. On the right-hand side of the screen, you watch the videos. This icon here tells you that it's just called a fact sheet. It's just a summary in text form of the videos that you watched. And you keep going back to that table of contents button and just move down the line. Okay, now these little green check marks are telling me I watched this video, or I looked at this text fact sheet, and uh, again here, and these little looks like a dot. That's actually a mouse. That's how you start the hands-on labs. Now, if you watch in the getting started information chapter, it'll show you also how this works. I got a green check mark because it says that tells me that I completed this lab and I got 100%. You do not need to have a green check mark next to your assignment to still get a grade. When you're done the skills lab, it'll give you a grade. And whatever that grade is what comes directly into my instructor's grade book. So if you don't have a green check mark, that doesn't mean you didn't do it. If I were you, I would check off or print out the weekly schedule and put a little check mark next to the lab you completed and write your score in. Maybe you only got an 88, or maybe you got a 75 on this lab. In that case, there will not be a green check mark there. You do not have to have 100% to have the lab completed and to move on to the next one. So that's basically, quickly how you access the videos, and you look at the fact sheets, and then you click on the assigned labs that are on your weekly schedule.